little bit of information about the ABLE Act. When this was coming up, it was being oversold. I saw articles written by very large, reputable organizations that this will replace the need for special needs trusts. It'll make it so easy for families to save for individuals with special needs. It'll be just like a college savings account, one of those 529 plans where you can put money in, possibly even tax-deferred money into it. It will grow tax-deferred, and you'll have a pile of money that you can use for your child's special needs. That was part of what they were selling it as. That overselling of it has now created some confusion because parents think it can do what it cannot do. It was signed December 19th, 2014, so it is now law. However, the accounts don't exist yet. The accounts will come probably early next year. The regulations regarding these accounts now need to be developed. And so currently the agency, the lead agency is the Treasury Department, that's basically the IRS, is creating the rules regarding these ABLE accounts. Part of that will also receive input from Social Security in order to make sure that it complies with what they need. There will be a public comment period once these regulations are developed, and then those regulations will be adopted. Once they are adopted, then each state has to adopt the accounts as well. And our legislature is only in session for a limited amount of time starting in January, and therefore, since these regulations don't yet exist, they can't adopt them yet, it'll probably be next year, next legislative session, when the State Assembly here in Georgia will adopt the ABLE accounts. They will probably be administered by the same organization, same group that is administering the Georgia 529 plan, because under the Treasury regulations, under the IRS rules, that they're supposed to be operated very similarly, and they will communicate back and forth. So states have to adopt them. The purpose of an ABLE account, very noble purpose, to encourage and assist individuals and families in saving private funds to support individuals with disabilities, to maintain health, independence, and quality of life. Very noble goal. Also, stated goal in the law to provide secure funding for disability-related expenses to supplement and not supplant public benefits. And here we have our first new concept introduced by the ABLE Act. What exactly are disability-related expenses? The second part of that sentence, the to supplement and not supplant, that comes pretty much straight out of special needs trust language. So we kind of know what that's about. That's kind of, all the things that the public benefits don't pay for, the trust can pay for. So we think automatically anything that SSI, SSDI, Medicare, Medicaid don't pay for, well, the trust can pay for. This ABLE account might be able to pay for. But the ABLE account has the further limitation of this thing called disability-related expenses.